back to the channel. Today I will share with you what I plan on working on. I have my Christmas balls where I was stuffing with the scraps from the Serger, and this one's not completely full, but I'm still gonna put some vinyl on it. And then I also have this one, which was the embroidery thread. This one got a little messed up, but I'm still gonna do it. And then this is just tails from the Serger. I also have this little fake snow. I'm gonna try to put a little bit on probably these two, see what it looks like. And I have some vinyl that I'm going to be using. I picked gold and white. Hopefully it'll match with the stuff I have going on here. Yes, I tend to decorate early. I have the house inside about 90% done, and the outside is, I want to say, about, I don't know, like 80 something percent done. I am going to probably insert a little clip of what the office is looking like so far. I have quite a bit hanging throughout for the most part, and I left the office to be more simple. Little by little, I do plan on adding as time goes by, and then it'll be more fully decorated, but we'll see. So this is what, when you come in, you see it says believe. I haven't quite figured out how to get these to just be flat. After I press them, they kind of curled up. So I have some like butterflies and some rose gold glitter little balls up there, and then this is what it goes all the way down. It does light up. This is a box of things that I need to put away, so it goes all the way around here, and then goes all the way to the bottom, and it's got like different decorations on it. Then I did do a Christmas tree this time in here, and I pick things that I have shown already, and this is what is looking like so far. And everything kind of matches the colors within the office. Remember these balls I said I wouldn't use because they were too pink? Well, yes, they ended up in the tree anyways. And then I have some little reindeers. I also have, and this is really pretty. I actually found this at Walmart. It was like for $5. And again, it's not necessarily pink, it's more like a rose gold. And I do have lights in there, so it does light up as well. And I have a little stuffy here and a Kindle. It smells like sugar cookies. I have a little polar bear right now that's just sitting there for the time being until I can relocate him for a little bit. And some snowflakes, some bows. For the lamps, I went ahead and put some more of the same that was left over from this around them. I just wrapped around, put another butterfly on there, and I show you guys that butterfly in another video. I think the 2 videos prior. And some of the same ornaments that are on the Christmas tree. This was a piece that was left from another project, so I ended up using this here. This was not planned, so it's pretty plain, but it looks nice. So I used those. This thing was driving me crazy. I don't know what to do with it. So it is very heavy. So I ended up not putting it on the tree. So I just twisted it with this, put some ornaments and some bows. So basically that's what I have going on in the office. Again, it's not a whole lot. I'm gonna little by little add on to it. I just want to make sure that it kind of keeps up with the color theme within the room. I'm gonna get started on my project. Let me get the desk set up. I already have my laptop out here. This long cable that you probably might have seen hanging out. It's part of my silhouette. And I have all the ornaments here, the fake snow, and the vinyl sitting on this side over here. And then I have a stack of to-do projects on this side that needs to be worked on. So, that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Don't mind my pile, it's for work on later pile, so we'll see how that goes. Right now I have my ornaments here. I have my silhouette, I have my laptop. The last couple of things I need to get is, and I have a napkin here, and I have a little spray bottle with rubbing alcohol on it, and some transfer tape. So you're gonna need those few things for this project. This is really simple and easy and quick. I don't know of anyone who does this besides me with their little scraps. So we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so I found those 3 designs I'm going to cut first. I think the next one I am going to do just my name on it. I have an idea what I want to do, but I'm not 100% sure. But I'm going to try it either way. I'm going to go ahead and cut these out first, put those on. Alright, so I went ahead and cut them all up. So now I have my 3 individual ones. I'm going to try to weed out the next ones and then get them ready. I think they're too small though. Kind of wish I would have done them a little bit bigger, but we'll see how they look once I put them on, and then we'll go on from there. Alright, so I am all done. I went ahead and cleaned them. You can get these little bottles from, I think it's like the dollar store or the traveling section from Walmart. They sell them in like a pack of 4, I think it was, or 3. It's just got alcohol in it. Again, I just used a tissue, paper towel, whatever you want to use, that doesn't leave fuss behind. You spritz the ball, kind of clean it off. And once you have your vinyl and everything all cut up like you saw, you get to use transfer tape. Now I had this huge roll, and this is what I'm down to, and you can reuse these. Now this is the piece that I was using. It was just big enough for it, slightly bigger, and I reused it for all 3 of them. Now you can reuse this until it doesn't have any more stickiness to it, and then you can kind of just get rid of it. But this is what they are looking like, and I know there's a bit of a glare because of the window. So let me see if I can kind of cover that up a little bit. This is what it looks like. It looks really, really cute. I'm glad I went with the gold. You can definitely see it probably better than the white. And I also this one. This one says happiness is crafting. So I don't know if you can kind of see that because of the glare. A little bit better there, but it says happiness is crafting. So this is what this one looks like. And then I think I showed you this one. It says I can't, I'm crafting today. And so yeah, and then the last one says but first crafting, and it's got like a little scissors down here. And so this one I still gotta finish filling up, but I think I'm still just gonna go with it. And this is what all 3 of them look like, and they actually turn out a lot better than I thought. And I'll take a little video of them, hopefully without the glare from the window and the light above me. But yeah, so I'm excited. I still have to do my name, so I think I'm definitely going to use the gold color and continue and just have a set of 4 of them. And I will do the snow, fake snow on another video, and probably pick the gold as well because it looks really, really good on there when it's light colors like this. Being said, this project is completed for now. I hope you have a great day, enjoy your weekend, and I will see you on the next video.